The MacBook Neo is supposed to be a simple budget laptop. Instead, it exploded in popularity so fast that Apple is already struggling to keep it alive. And now, leaks are pointing to something even crazier. A possible MacBook Neo S, Neo SE, or some kind of refreshed version could arrive way sooner than expected. Right now, the MacBook Neo is disappearing from stores everywhere. Stock is running low, and people are rushing to grab one before it vanishes. The reason is simple. This thing is cheap by Apple standards. You can get it for around $599, and sometimes even $499 with education pricing. That is way lower than a MacBook Air, and buyers are treating it like a steal. And honestly, that is exactly why Apple has a problem. Now the MacBook Neo is not as powerful as a MacBook Pro. It only starts with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. No fancy promotion display. No backlit keyboard. Battery life is decent, but nowhere near the Air models on paper. It looks limited. But regular buyers do not care about specs like that. They see a brand new MacBook at almost half the price, and they instantly want it. That huge demand is now creating a serious issue behind the scenes. The biggest problem is the A18 Pro chip inside the MacBook Neo. Apple originally used leftover versions of the chip that had damaged GPU cores during manufacturing. Instead of throwing those chips away, Apple reused them in the Neo Smart Move at first. Cheap production, bigger profit, easy win. But now those leftover chips are running out. That means Apple may have to start making special A18 Pro chips just for the Neo. And that costs money. A lot more money. Apple would need to produce full chips and then disable GPU cores manually just to keep using them in the laptop. That completely kills the original cost-saving strategy. So Apple is now looking for another solution. According to leaks, Apple may completely remove the cheapest MacBook Neo model. The 256 GB version could disappear entirely. Instead, Apple may only sell a 512 GB version with Touch ID because it gives them better profit margins. Basically, Apple wants buyers to spend more money while pretending it is an upgrade. But that is not the only thing coming. New reports also suggest Apple could relaunch the laptop with fresh colors and a slightly updated identity. That is where the MacBook Neo S or Neo SE name starts appearing. Same machine, same idea, different colors, slight tweaks, new marketing, and this shows how desperate Apple is to keep the hype alive. The funny part is that many older MacBook Air models still destroy the Neo in overall performance. An older M2 or M3 MacBook Air gives better battery life, better design, a backlit keyboard, and stronger multi-core performance. In many cases, it is simply the smarter buy. But most buyers are not thinking like tech experts. People want the newest thing, they want a fresh box, a new warranty, and the feeling of owning Apple's latest product. That is exactly why the MacBook Neo became such a massive success so quickly. Even if better options already exist, people still chase the newest model first. The MacBook Neo S leaks suggest Apple could announce this refreshed version later this year, possibly around late 2026. Expected pricing may start around $699 if the cheaper model gets removed completely. That is all for today. What do you think about the MacBook Neo S? Drop your thoughts below, and I'll see you in the next one.